I'd like to welcome you all today to this wedding and celebration of the love and commitment that Sarah and John share.
Oh, lay your sweet head here on my chest, your breath on my neck. Oh, safe in my arms until the morn, until the dawn.
I'm going to cry. I'll just open with that before we get there. But today, this is a celebration of not only marriage, God's intended plan for marriage, not only a celebration of love between Sarah and John, but a celebration of the journey and the people that they had to become to get to this moment.
Always you and I, steady as we rise, be forever mine.
John was someone that I always knew but never imagined that I would be standing here on this day doing this for him and my little sister. But here we are. And now that we're here, I have the confidence from knowing John for the past 4 years to know that I wouldn't have it any other way. I, Sarah,
take you, John,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
I, John,
take you, Sarah,
to be my wife.
to be my wife,
To have and to hold
To have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poor,
in sickness and in health.
and in sickness and in health,
To love and to cherish
to love and to cherish,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
In the presence of God, I make this vow.
In the presence of God, I make this vow.
Be forever mine.
Sarah has been not only my sister, not only my best friend, but she's always been there, no matter what it might have been that I needed from her. And from now on, from today forward, she's that person for you. With these vows and these rings, I now pronounce you husband and wife, and you may kiss your bride.
Oh, my love, my life, always you and I, steady as we
For the first time,
rise.
Mr. and Mrs. John and Sarah Fanning.
Before